Yo, I can't fucking believe it. Yo, we just had a fucking earthquake. This whole fucking apartment was fucking shaking.
It's still shaking.
Oh my goodness, man. Come in. Yo, you felt that, right?
We going downstairs.
Yeah, come on, Granny, let's get out the building. Open this shit.
Come on, Carol, get your shoes.
Come
Let's
on.
go.
Come
The
on.
fucking building's shaking, Ma.
Ain't no we staying here. Open it. Come on. Wait a minute, don't worry about this, man. We get outside. Yo, I can't believe this. This is fucking... Yo, man, this is the craziest thing that ever happened, man. Come on, it don't matter. It don't matter like this, man. It don't even matter. You rushing out because of something. Come on. I'm sitting in there and I'm thinking I think I'm having a fucking dizzy spell, and I realize the whole fucking room is shaking, literally. And we're on the 13th floor, 919 Myrtle Avenue. And you still feel a slight tremor in this building. Yo, man, don't worry about, let's get in the hall. She can do all that shit later. I want to just get downstairs with her, so then that's it.
Come on and lock this door.
Yo, I'm pulling her back. Granny, hold your foot up.
Y'all taking too long.
Oh, my goodness, Granny. We talking about life. You should just be, this is the moment when you use all your strength God gave you.
How do you...
We going outside, man. This shit, man. Get a jacket or something, man. Get something to bring something down for her. Snatch something, anything.
Y'all taking too long.
I'm worried about that. Check what this down. Oh, excuse me, man. I swear, yo, I can't believe this, man.
My whole room was shaking.
Yeah.
The whole fucking room was going, and I was like...
You thought you was having a dizzy spell. I swear to God.
Yo, what the fuck we have an earthquake?
Kevin Philly. Look, now look at this, man. He's on the PS3 internet playing with his cousin, our cousin rather, and he's in Philly and his house is shaking. What the fuck is going on?
What you doing?
Yo!
What do you mean? That's for sure. That's for damn sure.
Excuse me, I'm so sorry, everybody. I'm so sorry. But yo, everybody in here, yo, I was terrified. And I can't even believe that.
Oh, that's all right. Yeah. Step down that one.
Yo, y'all felt it too, right, my people? You felt it too, right?
Everybody getting out of their apartment.
Yeah, the whole apartment, yo, I've been in this building since 76. Never in my life. I thought I was getting ready to have like a fainting spell, like you was getting dizzy. And
the corner
next
room.
thing you know, I realized.
Like this. I said, what the fuck? Everything started moving.
Everything moving.
Yeah, it was bumping the wall. Everything started bumping the wall.
Gotta be with
I
this.
said, what the fuck is this? Oh, come on, somebody press buttons. They said we was having an earthquake.
Of course we was. There ain't nothing else. And this is now, look, Auntie, keep in mind, Kevin's in Philly. Our cousin is in Philly. They was on the PS3 playing the internet, And he said, yo, what's going on? The house is shaking. And he's in Philly.
Que la gente lo pisó.
That man.
Que la gente lo pisó y salió huyendo por abajo.
Get down.
From Philly to here.
Kevin said we used to have the earthquake.
Que te cague y vete encima.
Yeah.
Arriba otro.
As soon as you got his number, just call him. Because he was sitting back. And that's the crazy part of it.
He said we having an earthquake.
You know, Kevin said when our shit was rocking, we both said it. Yeah, we both said it. We both, Corey said it to him at the same time, like, yo, the fucking building's shaking. And then Kevin said it back to him too. This shit was that big. You know how big that is? Auntie, you drive from here today. You know how big that shit was?
Yo te estaba entrando como mareo ahí. Yo también me quería caer.
Maybe we filming it.
Wait, don't run over the
Thank you. Artist Dark. Yeah, Artist Dark. Come on, let's get it.
Yeah, let's get it on here. Let's get the fuck out of the building. If the building collapses, we're gonna be out of it. And mommy's like,
We got
everybody is out of their damn apartment.
Auntie, film for me, please. It's already filming. Just keep showing.
How you look at it?
Just
Let me
hold it.
push on
No,
you,
I
Bill.
got it. I want to push it.
Where is that?
It's already showing. Just.
What do
just
I do?
Just nothing. Just keep pointing. That's it.
The building shook. This is all of the people running out of their apartment. 919 Myrtle, 921. We all had to get out. The building was rocking and shaking. People was running for their lives over here. People was running. People was running. People was running for their lives over here. I'm filming. What? I'm filming that people running for their lives. What's wrong with you? I'm not going to get through the hole.
That shit was a success.
Hi.
Yo.
I hear everybody, so I was outside. I didn't feel anything.
I figured the people outside was feeling more than the
My fucking, you know what caused me? I had just got up and went in my room, and my refrigerator was, like, my room was going like this because the refrigerator was, like, bumping the wall like this. I said, what the fuck in the, it was moving like, I'm like, what the fuck is this? Like, call the fucking news because I ain't going to work. Did anybody call the news? Come on, Antoine, we don't want to be underneath the door. Let's go over there. Let's go. Come on. No, let's go on this side. Because she can't be in the sun.
I know, that's why I'm taking.
Kim, what's going on? Where's it? NYCHA. In the house. You was outside already?
Yeah. And she wants to them to know. Take your kids. Okay, I was just calling Michelle for them.
Where's Jada?
She's here.
Where's Sherelle?
In the house.
She got to come down.
Yeah.
That motherfucking room was rocking.
No, it wasn't.
And I was in the corner room and started going like this. I said, what the fuck is this? Hey.
My phone said got service, but it don't.
I don't know if there's any service or not.
My phone said got service, but it don't.
Let me see. I don't know. Antoine's phone's still going. It needs to cut off. I don't know what the fuck. All I felt was the fucking room rocking. Turn his phone off. All these people out here is panicking. Ain't no phones on because mine's is calling and it ain't ringing. Ain't no phones working.
Mine not
Call
working.
her daughter. Her daughter's still up there. What? Burgers? I don't give a fuck. Get it. I just woke up. More boogers?
I got a busy signal. Maybe that's just
The
it.
phones ain't working.
Nah, that ain't. I think that's just it.
I wasn't even gonna come down. I was about to stay upstairs and get my fucking shower. I'm like, what? I ain't moving. Fucking building.
I was down here already.
I gotta go to work. I'm about to stay in that motherfucker, get me a shower.
So since we in the building, we don't know if it's continuing.
I don't even know. Do I give this phone to Antoine? Maybe it's on pause now. It might have been on pause the whole time. He this way.
Oh, where did he go?
Yeah.
Oh. Yo.
It was one of them electric joints that you could drive.
I think the whole time it looks like it's recording and it's not.
Nah, it is recording.
It's not, cause
It is.
why say pause?
No, pause is what you would do if you want to stop it.
Oh, yeah. I thought it was up.
Nah.
This shit is crazy. I'm telling you, I was about to stay in there and get this out.
So, man, that's what Granny was about to do.
Yeah, but
She's like, yo, nah. Fuck
Yeah.
that. And these are the buildings. Tompkins.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
yeah,
My brothers, y'all felt the tremor?
yeah,
Y'all
right.
felt it? Jesus Christ. Boy, oh, boy.
That's Marina?
Yeah, it was shaking. Where were you?
Look. All the buildings. Oh my God, could you imagine people from 303?
Oh, and the phones must
Oh,
have just started
man.
working because they wasn't even working. We couldn't even call nobody.
Could you imagine people that lived in this building? Right here, one of the tallest buildings in my hood. Right there in the center shot. Damn, man, that's... Yo, y'all playing the game, and I'm like, yo, man.
I thought I was
feeling
bugging.
What's going on? Yo, I'm like, I never felt this in my life. And it dawned on me last when I looked at the window and I seen that the motion, the building was moving in its perspective to the window. Like, I'm starting to see different, I see the perspective swaying. I'm like, yo, the building is moving.
I thought I was bugging too, and then I'm shaking, I'm standing up, and I'm like this, and I'm like, hold on. Then I see everything else. I'm like, oh, shit.
God damn. Oh, life, I thought I was getting ready to have a dizzy spell. I was like, the whole bed, I'm like, yo, I couldn't, all my life, man, I'm 42 years old. I never felt no shit like that. And this is coming to the time when they said the end of times is coming. Oh, my goodness. Look at my great granny over there, man. Family all around. Damn. Cousin right there, young Wills. Everybody was shocked. And look at this. This is the youngest blood of our bloodline, and she is not even aware of craziness.
And this is the oldest, and we had to take her and run.
And this is the oldest.
And we had to take her and run. You see? See if the building falls, she can't make it out. We got to take her and run.
Period. And guess what?
Exactly.
Great granny, being there who she is, wasn't even afraid.
She didn't even know what was going on.
Yeah, she ain't know what was going on, but she knew something was going on.
I don't think she felt it rocking in the front.
No, she felt it.
It was rocking.
You felt it rocking?
Yeah, I was shaking.
Oh, because in the back room, that whole corner room was rocking like this, and I was standing in the floor, and I was like this.
My whole body was shaking.
And look, I was
But
paralyzed.
when the Twin Towers got hit, he was like, Ian, get you down on the ground. Now you shaking, and you just sitting there like you're supposed to shake.
Look, right?
Yeah.
The
When
twin
the Twin
When the tower, she got on the floor.
No, when the Twin Towers got hit, she wanted me to move. She said take her down to the ground because she's scared to be on the top. Now we on the top today, the building starts shaking, her body shaking. She just sitting there like it's normal. She don't know what's going on, but she just sitting there. She ain't scared. She should have been scared.
She already said that Jehovah was gonna take her and do whatever. So again, and yo, it was just the craziest thing. I was paralyzed. I couldn't even move. It's like when I finally realized, I said, yo, I'm going to be with my granny. I said, whatever's gonna happen. That's the first thing I told her. I said, whatever's gonna happen, I'm with you. That's it.
I said, grab her ass and run. I told Darnella to grab their baby and let's go. I don't even think they came out the house. I said, grab the baby and go. I
You know what I'm
just
saying?
took the baby. I'm like, get Kiara, put your shoes on, Kiara.
Yeah, man. Later for that. My granny
Now,
just got
Kareem
beat.
got through on my phone, but I can't get through on nobody's phone.
Shit was shaking, right? Word life. Look, Kevo in Philly. Yeah, and he felt down. You know, see? This big brother clientele has. Gotta be honest right now. How many times that ever happened in the hood history of your life? Ain't that something? Word life. Niggas is talking.
If it happened and I wasn't around, I was locked up.
And guess what? I know people locked up felt that.
Yeah.
I know niggas in tears that was like, yo, I can't. Again.
Like, yo, I can't even be out there around.
Look, this, yo,
niggas isolated
cyberspace, man. Look, it's for real. This is BED-STUY. It's for man clientele. Nigga never fake a motherfucking jack. And yo, quite sure everybody felt the same. Like, what the fuck? Am I having a dizzy spell? First thing niggas probably thought was, am I getting sick?
I'm gonna say, nigga, you better choose a side.
Hold up, better
choose now.
See that, people? Better choose now. What up? Nah, hold on, man. We got time. These things, that could be the first shit. The next, yeah, look, that's what I'm saying. You don't go back in until we might be out here indefinitely.
They evacuated the White House and the Pentagon. He just heard it on the
Yeah,
news.
see? Look, they just evacuated the White House and the Pentagon. And they're in Washington. Again, this was that huge of a situation that it reached from the coast.
Pennsylvania, Washington, New York.
And New Jersey, Connecticut, Maryland, Boston, and wherever else. Because we don't even know if this went all the way down to Florida. This could be the whole eastern coast. Eastern Seaboard, just like I was saying. You know. Everybody, what was your take? Everybody's all right? I swear, man.
I'm checking now.
Horrifying, right? Horrifying. Corey, hard like this, I'm going back. And what the?
I'm going back, but I don't think it's going. If I go back in there, it's just...
Well, let me say this on tape, man, because God forbid something happened to my little family, man. Young Will's had... Yeah, she all right.
It's going
Granny gonna be with me until we get okay to everything.